Mathomo ma ukui na ubashiriri makinyeirio mũingĩ wa Diani kaunti-inĩ ya Kwale rĩrĩ ruhonge rwa gubashirira ukui barabara-inĩ rũrikĩte ihinda-inĩ rĩa gũthing'ĩrĩria mũingĩ ũgĩe na wĩmenyereri.
To maintain safety in our roads, it is a responsibility of each and every Kenyan, because I as a cyclist, I need to consider that the way I'll be cycling will matter a lot, because I have to consider the person who is ahead of me, I have to consider the person who is behind of me, I have to consider my family, because any decision that I will make in cycling, in driving, will have an impact, could be positive or negative to the family.
Accidents are caused because of lack of awareness of the pedestrians or the cyclists next to you who are riding. So we're also promoting healthy, eco-friendly transport alternatives, which actually we want to thank the government of Kenya for the infrastructural developments which have been made in terms of paving the roads.
And today we are glad to have had this sensitization program where cyclists join hands to sensitize the public regarding safety, road safety. We look forward for more such programs so that our people are enlightened.
Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa NTSA Hatib Mwashitani agĩtĩtĩrithia bata wa atwarithia othe a nduthi gũkorwo na marũa na bima.
And the most critical issue that we need to look at is also insurance. So for bodabodas, as you are riding, make sure that you have insurance and you have your smart driving license, and also with your speed, and also the people that you carry. At least try and ensure that you have a helmet and your passenger has an helmet.
Tuna sensitize watu wetu wote Kenya mzima, tukianzia na hapa nyumbani Kwale, tuhamasishe kuhusu usalama ili tuweze kupunguza visa vya ajali. Na ukiangalia bodaboda mmoja anapata ajali, inakosi abiria ambaye imebeba, kuna mtu anatembea na miguu pia anagongwa, kuna mtu anaendesha baiskeli anagongwa. Hivyo tukishirikiana kwa pamoja, ina maana tutapunguza visa vingi vya ajali.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Kwale yugĩte nĩ ĩkĩrĩire kũgacĩrithia ukui na njĩra ya gwaka barabara cia athii a magũrũ mĩkĩra-inĩ ya barabara nĩguo kũnyihia mĩtino.
We've gone further to even include cycle tracks. Well, I know we are just starting, but if you look, we have a road at Kwale that is a sample that we've just completed, around 1.5 kilometers, where we have a cycle track and we have a footpath over and above the normal carriageway.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV njĩtagwo Lawrence Ng'ang'a wa Mwangi.